Hello everybody, and welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you're here for the first time, my name is Tasha, and on this channel we have been documenting our journey to debt freedom. And because we are debt free, we are now on a journey to financial freedom while building generational wealth. So if any of that type of content is interesting to you, then please stay tuned. Before we continue, hey legacy builders, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. I normally go ahead and track our expenses every Sunday of every week, but we've had just some things going on in the background we need to take care of. So my schedule is a bit off. So we're doing this expense tracking video a little bit different. I've already wrote down all of the things that we've charged on our Quicksilver card in the past week. For the first week of September, I should say, and then I've also made all of the payments. So I'm just going to walk you through what we've done. Remember, you guys are accountability partners, and I appreciate y'all so much. I really do, because I get good feedback from people saying, they've been watching the videos and it's good that, how you track, and hopefully it just inspires someone else to keep an accurate record of where you're spending your money, because it's so important to make sure that it does what you need it to do and you're not overspending. All right, so let's just get right into it. It's not going to be a long video. So the first charge was Nordstrom Rack. So they charged my card based on when the item shipped. So the first item was $7.97, and that was on August 30th. Then there was a second charge on August 30th for some more clothes that I purchased for $129.88, and I had bought some boots, or at least I thought I did, and they canceled it. And I guess because they were on such a good clearance that they sold out by the time I had hit submit my order. So I didn't get the boots, so I'll try again, but because my total order was almost $165. But this is how they charged me. So now we're at $137.85. And then I had a business expense. We had to do a publication. It's required by the state that I live in New York. And that cost us a pretty penny. So that was $429. And that brought our balance to $566.85. If you're going to create an LLC, there are certain requirements that differ by state. And ours needed to be publicized. We had to get the publications out, so they charged us for that. There was a purchase at Dwayne Reed for $13.03. That was for some shipping cost. And then Geico, which is our car insurance carrier, that came out on the 2nd for $65.26. That brought our balance up to $645.14. So then on Amazon, and back up just a minute, y'all see all the green? Yeah, all the green, unbudgeted expenses. So Amazon, I purchased a gift for my second son's birthday. It was $150.62. We used most of what was in the gift sinking fund to pay for that. Then Amazon, again, I bought a new microphone. I'm using it right now. I hope it turns out well and it cuts out the background noise like it said it would, but we shall see when I edit the video, because there's someone behind, either the neighbor behind me or it might be the neighbor on the side of me who's cutting grass at this early morning hour. So Amazon, the microphone cost $12.93. That brought our balance to $823.42. Way over utilization. If you know, you know. This business expense is what really carried us over. Otherwise, we would have been under 30%, you guys. Amazon, another microphone. It's the second one, was $19.59, and that brought us to $8.43 and a penny. Good morning. All right. So we had 8 unbudgeted expenses and one from our gifts sinking fund. You do that? Hi, Saya. Good morning. So we made 3 payments. From the TD Bank, we paid $643.02. That was for all of the, most of the unbudgeted expenses. So including the business expense, the clothes that I purchased, the Dwayne Reed purchase, and we haven't paid Geico yet. Then also $120 of this charge here came from the gift sinking fund because that's the maximum. That's what we had in there at the time. And the $30 that were remaining for this charge came from the TD Bank account, from that cushion. Then we had a charge for travel, $14.73. That was Lyft. I think I missed that. Sorry. Lyft was $14.73, and we made that payment. And that brought our balance to $65.26. That is for Geico that I have not paid yet. So I will be paying that in the second week of the month, hopefully with no interest accruing. So we earned a nice set of cash back. Okay. So we earned 12 cents. 195, 649 plus 20 plus 98 plus 22 plus $2.26 plus 19 cents is $12.41 cash back that we earned in the first week of September. And we currently have this amount in there right now, and I will be using that to go towards one of our financial goals, which most likely will be the emergency fund. You'll probably notice that there was no Transfer Tuesday video this week, and that was because things are just a bit wonky this week. I have some things that I have to deal with, and I just need a little bit of a break. So no Transfer Tuesday this week, but I will update you guys on what we did for week 1 of September towards Transfer Tuesday next week once things get back rolling. And I hope that you guys understand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and it was a little bit different from the regular format, but hopefully next week I'll get back to our regular format, which making sure I walk you through step by step what happens, because this is a great way for you guys to help keep us accountable. So comment down below how your first week of expenses went. Did you go over budget in any area? Did you have any unbudgeted expenses? And if you guys have running a business, is it a corporation or an LLC? And if you are in a different state outside of New York, what requirements did you have in order to make sure your business was running well? So thank you so much for being here. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now.
There used to be a tennis court here at the park where I'm at right now. And the sad thing is, it's destroyed. You see, where it used to be, the net is gone. And that's terrible, because the kids in the community could have something where they could learn other than basketball, you know, and just wall ball, whatever they call it. Tennis is a good sport, and I'm just sad that it's not here anymore. We really have to teach our children about ownership and the importance of taking care of things, especially in our communities.